Hi, this is an instruction video on how to use JOMA's timber components in Tekla structures. If we look at the purlin anchor component, it consists of two subcomponents. Use the main purlin anchor. In the Picture tab, you can put an offset from the middle. Under the Part tab, you can choose the creation of purlin anchors and also the size of the purlin anchors, which gives the right purlin anchor number. Under the Prefix tab, you can choose to put the type to Special if you want to open up the fields for material and name. Okay, we will put the purlin anchor in the model. Pick the main part and then the secondary part. Offset can be chosen up or down. Creation of the purlin anchors is chosen and also the size. By pushing the Get button, the component, it updates the purlin anchor number. If you put the purlin anchor in another situation, it can be placed in the opposite side of the beam. In other words, in the wrong way. By looking at the component cone direction and the coordinate system, you can change the component position by changing the cone direction and put minus before the angle. It will be placed right now. Now we put the night bracket in the model by picking 2 points. The insertion point and their direction sets the position of the component. If we change the size, it gives the right night bracket number. The Prefix tab has the same functionality as before. If we look at the angle bracket, the procedure for the insertion in the model is the same as the night bracket. The Picture and the Prefix tabs has the same functionality as the other components. In the angle bracket, all different sizes are stored under the Load button. If you choose Type to Special, all fields will open up, which allow you to put any value you want in the component, according to JOMA standard. If we look at the cantilever brackets, the functionality under the Picture, Part and Prefix tabs are like before. By choosing 2 beams in the model, the cantilever bracket are positioned in the splice of the beams. Changing size is easy. The cut of the beams can be extended under the Picture tab. Now if we look at the joist hanger, pick main part and then secondary part. The joist hanger has a default value for the gap between the beams. Under the Part tab, the basic shape of the joist hanger can be chosen. The default value is 5 mm between the beams when the inner flaps is chosen. By putting the type to Special under the Prefix tab, a specific value for the gap can be set. If we choose to have utter flaps, we simply put the Yes/No drop-down menu to No under the Part tab. Observe that the joist hanger always follows the basic shapes, depending on the width of the beam. Both the width and the joist hanger number is updated. The joist hanger special component has the same functionality as the joist hanger. What differs here is that the height is choosable and depends on what type of joist hanger is chosen. The default value is 5 mm as before. Okay, if we look at the help file, all JOMA components are described, and depending on what component you open the help file from, the right chapter will open. The help file also has web links to JOMA's homepage, where you can find all sorts of information about the timber connectors. A report is desirable to create to see all JOMA components used in the model. We're choosing JOMA list in the report list and create this from all parts in the model. Only JOMA components are shown in the created report. Angle brackets, for example, are shown with its right type number. If we look at the joist hanger, the width is also displayed, and for the joist hanger special, the width and height is shown. Okay, thank you for your attention.